Manufacturing is a driving force at Philips and essential to our mission of improving lives. As a healthcare company, we're committed to meaningful innovation and creating some of the most groundbreaking products in health tech today. Our manufacturing facilities offer safe, modern, and clean working conditions, paying special attention to a comfortable working environment and temperature control. Our Murraysville facility focuses on production of critical care products and solutions to help diagnose and treat patients. You can make an impact on people's lives at our sustainable high-tech manufacturing facilities where we share space with research and development, services, and other supporting businesses. We pride ourselves on the innovations and solutions we're providing to the world's healthcare industry and recognize that people who are part of Philips should be led and supported to develop to their fullest potential. As part of our team, you will have access to competitive pay, benefits, 401k, and training programs. Working at Philips means having a career with growth opportunities and the possibility of a professional path you never dreamed of. We are at our best moment when you are at yours.